What you doing, little one? Huh? What you doing? Come back up here. Up here comes Hailey checking out the tile. Here she comes. There's Zoey. Oh my goodness sakes. What's all this racket? What is all this racket? Oh, it's all right. It's okay. Hailey, why did I know you were going to be the first one out of the box? Oh, Rainy. Rainy, it's okay. There's Hailey Pop. There's Hailey Pop. There she is. Rainy, what's the matter, honey? Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, it's all right. It's okay. Oh, you're so soft. You're so soft, so soft, so sweet. You want out too? All right, come on. Here we go. Might as well come on out. You're gonna fall in that water dish. Oh my gosh, are you interested in that?